Do you want to clear Windows 10 of everything without having to do a full PC reset? Stay tuned. This is the best way to clear Windows 10 of your browser history, temp files, stored credentials, recent file usage, system logs, and updates while retaining your login and profile. If you follow these steps, you won't need to do a full system reset, and you won't lose your applications or data files. Click on Start, type in Control, and open up the Control panel. In the list, choose User Accounts, and then Manage Your Credentials. Under Web Credentials, click the down arrow and remove each one of these credentials in the list. Go over to your Windows credentials and do the same thing. Remove each one of these Windows credentials. Close that window. Click the Start, type in Disk, and choose Disk Cleanup. In the list, select all of the options available and hit OK. This deletes permanently temporary files. Go back to the same place again and choose Clean Up System Files. Choose all the options in this list and hit OK. Click the Start button, go to Settings, choose System, select Storage from the menu, and choose this Change How We Free Up Space. Click the Clean Now, and it clears up some disk space. Close that. Click on Start, type in Run, and hit Enter. Type Temp, hit Enter. Now the disk cleanup doesn't always clear out all your temp files. So in this folder, hit Control-A to select all the files and delete them. You can skip ones that are in use. Do this for all. Close that. Go back to the Start again. Type in Run, enter %temp%, and do the same thing for this folder. Close that. Go back to Start, type in Run, and this time enter prefetch. And do the same thing again to clear everything out of that folder. Close. Click on Start, go to Settings, choose Privacy, click on Location, and then scroll down the list and click this Clear History on this device and close. Click on Start, type in CMD, and right-click on the command prompt and run it as administrator. It may prompt for credentials. Type in ipconfig/flush DNS and hit Enter. That clears your network DNS settings. And close. Click on Start, type in Event, and select the event viewer. Under Windows Logs, on each one of these, Application Security Setup and System, choose this Clear Log and hit Clear. And close. Open up your File Explorer, and in the link, put in %temp%. That brings up your local temp file folder that we cleared out earlier. Go back one to the local folder, scroll down to Microsoft, and then find Windows, and choose Explorer. Scroll down to where you see thumb files, select them all by holding the Shift key, and then delete those. Scroll back up, go back to the local folder again, and delete this icon cache DB file, and close. If you use Edge, open it up, click on the ... and go into Settings, scroll down the list, and select this button to choose what to clear. Check all the boxes, click the Show More, check all of these boxes, and click the Clear button. And close. If you use Internet Explorer, open it up and go to the Gear tool, click on Internet Options. Under Browsing History, click this Delete button, and select all these entries and hit Delete. When that's done, hit OK and close. If you use Chrome, go to the menu, click on Settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list, click Advanced, and then scroll down further until you locate Clear Browsing Data. Click on that, go to the Advanced tab. In the down arrow, make sure it's selected on All Time. Select all the entries, click Clear Data, and close. And finally, click on the Start button, type in Control, go into the Control panel, select System, click on System Protection, click on Configure, and select Delete. Hit Continue, and it deletes all your restore points. Hit OK to close, OK there, and close that window. Those 10 steps will clear everything from your Windows 10 PC short of doing a factory reset. If you know of any other hidden elements in Windows 10, please share them in the comments below so others will know. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe. And if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click the thumbs up and leave a comment. I really do appreciate your support.